Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic of discussion is bio chapter number 6 enzyme. We discuss about the enzyme. So let's start. The life of the living organism is the reflection of the what is going on in their bodies. Metabolism is the set of the biochemical reaction that occurs in the living organism in the order to maintain the life. These processes allow the organism to grow and produce the maintain their structure. And the structure respond to the environment action. Anabolism includes the biochemical reaction in which large molecules are synthesized, while the catabolism includes the biochemical reaction in which the larger molecules are broken down. Usually, energy is released in the catabolism and it is utilized in the ab- anabolism. In this way, the biochemical reaction are actually energy transfers. During the metabolism, chemicals are transformed from one form to the other forms by the enzymes. Enzymes are crucial to the metabolism because they act as the biocatalysts and speed up and regulate the metabolic pathway. Enzymes are the proteins that catalyzes, speed up biochemical reactions and are not changed during the reaction. The molecule at which the enzyme act are called the substrates, and the enzymes convert them into the different molecules called the products. All the chemical reactions require the activation energy. It is defined as the minimum energy required to start a reaction. The need for the activation energy act as the barrier to the beginning of the reaction as the symbolized in the diagram. Enzymes lower such a barriers by the decreasing in the requirement of the activation energy. This is the presence of enzyme reaction proceed at the faster rate by the enzyme. The enzyme lower the activation energy in a several ways. They may alter the shape of the substrates and reduce the requirement of an energy. For this change, some enzymes do so by the disrupting the charge distribution on the substrate's enzyme. Enzyme may also lower the activation energy by the bringing the substrates in the correct orientation to the MAC to react. As we see in the diagram that the free energy starts the reaction from the substrates by the enzyme and its progress the reaction and we see is the high side and we see is the lower side, and this reaction is by the enzyme and this reaction is without the enzyme. So substrate convert into the products by as we see in the progress of the reaction. So we'll learn about the two types of kinds of enzymes. Enzymes can be categorized on the basis of the sites where they work. They may be intracellular enzyme and extracellular enzyme. Intracellular enzymes of the glycolysis working in the cytoplasm of the or maybe the extracellular enzyme like pepsin enzyme working in the stomach and the stomach cavity. As we see that the enzyme catalyze the reaction and it upgrade the reaction, so we can say that the enzyme are very important for the chemical reaction because enzyme starts the reaction, It provides the activation energy to start up the any reaction. So it is a very crucial factor for the reaction. And now this topic of the enzyme activation energy is completed.